Hi, it's Anita and Ron from Altro, and we're bringing you a series of short videos detailing the best practice guide for floors and walls. So in other words, what to look out for when signing off a job.
Hi everybody, well today we're going to be looking at joints and cuts around doorways.
Okay, Ron, so what are we looking at here?
Well, what you're looking at here is a before and after of what a bad joint would look like before and after the sealant has been applied. This is showing a wide gap between the floor and the wall sheet and between the wall sheet and the door frame, allowing water, dirt and bugs to get behind the materials.
And why is this bad?
Well, it's going to take a lot of mastic to cover up that huge gap, as you can see on the right. Having thick mastic can indicate a cover up of a large gap. It could mean that the wall sheets have not been cut properly or that the room has not been planned properly. A thick layer of mastic is likely to foul and would allow ingress of dirt, bacteria, bugs and infestation, and necessarily it doesn't look good.
Yes, I can see that. So let's now take a look at what a good job would look like.
Sure, this demonstrates a great before and after. It has a recommended 3mm gap between the joins and shows neatly sealed mastic.
So besides it obviously looking better, what are the other benefits?
Well, due to the minimal gap and a good seal, it's much less likely to fail as a join, so it will prevent the ingress of dirt, bacteria, bugs and infestation.
So let's do a quick comparison of the post-mastic images side by side.
You can clearly see the image on the right shows best practice for joints and cuts around doorways. It shows a thin, neat edge, approximately 3mm, sealed with neat mastic, is aesthetically pleasing and is less likely to fail as a joint, therefore preventing the ingress of dirt, bacteria, bugs and infestation.
We hope you found this best practice guide to joints and cuts around a doorway useful. To keep up to date with the rest of our best practice guide videos, follow us on our YouTube channel where you can also view many of our other useful hints and tips. Thanks for watching.
Thanks everyone. Hope to see you again soon.